I'm a fucking hippo. I'll fucking eat your. Oh no, you fucking nasty little slut. Okay.
Fucking fucked all the other animals in the ocean and fucking killed them with your huge dick, you bastard.
What kind of noise is a cheetah making?
Hurrah! Hurrah!
Bitch. Oh shit, I can't fucking swim. What the fuck am I even doing in the water?
I'm a cat. I don't swim.
Fucking hate the water. Well, hey, bitch, I got a fucking shell. You wanna fucking fuck with this shit?
Dude, that's a Stegosaurus.
I know this guy.
Oh, I thought you. Oh, well, you said like shell, so I thought you meant it was like a turtle or something.
You know what? I'm just gonna go with it. I got fucking spikes. You know, I'll fuck you with the ass with my spike. Eat spike. I'll rape you. Oh, hello.
Hey.
Go there. Go to her face.
No.
Go to her face. No. Move it to her.
Hi, Moo.
It's going on YouTube. Okay.
We're wasting our
What
lives.
is this? What is this? That's a
rhino.
That's a rhino.
Yes, it's a rhinoceros.
Oh, hey, bitch, I'm gonna fuck you with my horns up here. I think you're dead.
The middle run all the way down in here, and then when they start to boil, just turn them down.